Blessings, everybody. We're gonna go over some everyday phrases. Starting off with yes. How do you say yes in Garifuna? Aye, aye, no. How do you say no in Garifuna? Uwa. That's it. Uwa, 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 nothing. All right. Please. How do you say please in Garifuna? Fulesi, Fulesi. Thank you. How do you say thank you in Garifuna? Seremein, Seremein. You're welcome. How do you say you're welcome in Garifuna? Uwati, Megeti, Uwati, Megeti. I know most people already know this one. Good morning. How do you say good morning in Garifuna? Buiti, Binafi, Buiti, Binafi. How do you say good night in Garifuna? Buiti, Gunon, Buiti, Gunon. And lastly, how do you say goodbye in Garifuna? Goodbye in Garifuna is ayo, ayo. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoy this content, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the subscribe. Seremein. Ayo.